So
Very
going back to creative
important.
block, nakaka-creative block rin yon, yung over-pandering. Tapos
Mhm.
ma-meet niya isang tao na hindi nagustuhan, di ba? Parang
Agree.
Mhm.
that
Agree ako.
won't.
Lalo
But
pag ano,
if the person has internal na motivation, like si Kio, like yung pwede, 'di ba? Makaka-survive siyang ganun, 'di ba? Tsaka kailangan din ng mentor or kabarkada na honest enough, 'di ba? In private, nun, 'di ba? Pero kailangan magkusa yung photographer na yon na mag-reach out rin, 'di ba?
Mm.
Oo. Kasi kung
ayun.
hindi, yeah, nakakapagod 'yun. Tsaka yung fear of failure, tsaka judgment, 'di ba? Yun yung pinakaayaw eh. Ah, I'm offended, 'di ba? Parang
Actually,
gano'n. Judge mo ba ako?
ano ko yan mamaya eh.
Oo.
I-bring up ko yan. Pero, yun nga, before
Yeah.
we take a break, Hermano,
Oo.
last question from me.
Yeah.
Pagdating sa philosophy in terms of creativity in relation to creative block, ano yung sayo? Pahapyawan lang natin before tayo mag-break.
Alin yung motivation
No, no,
for
philosophy
philosophy?
ng creativity
Ah,
mo in relation to creative block.
okay. My philosophy is shit happens.
Mhm.
Shit happens.
Galing.
I'm not 100% there. And I have a choice. I would add, ang philosophy ko is I have always a choice. I can only control what I can control. I can't control other people,
Mhm.
'di ba? So I
Galing,
have
galing. Nice.
to embrace my limitation and change my perspective. And I have to collaborate with other people's works as an inspiration, 'di ba? And that sums up yung matang buhay, 'di ba?
Mm.
I have to see life through its eyes para mabuhay yung mata ko also. Yung ganon. So that's my philosophy. More of
Stoicism.
stoicism.
Yeah, yeah,
Ah,
yeah. I
Mm.
was about to say that stoicism.
so parang ano, it's very good. Tsaka yeah, that's my philosophy. Uh, I haven't had a creative block since 2016.
Wow.
So yeah.
That's how pro you are. Kung paano mo siya i-ano,
Yeah, but I have shitty days.
i-manage.
But I have shitty
Uy,
days.
Yeah, yeah.
outro na?
Pero, pero ano eh, tawag dito, magbe-break tayo.
Uh,
Break muna tayo.
Okay.
uh,
We'll be back for part 2, episode 4. Galing kasi
Hey,
iniisip ko
yay.
iniisip ko yung sasabihin mo is parang kung paano mo siya i-handle, pero it's the other way around it. It's kung paano mo siya tinanggap.
oh,
'Di ba? Kasi shit happens.
Magaling yan, Magaling.
'Di ba?
yeah.
Mm.
'Di ba?
Mm.
So it's not
Galing mo
by
talaga, bro.
handling, but by realizing or by realization na shit happens.
Yeah, kasi di ko naman makontrol yung labas, pero makontrol ko ang utak ko, makokontrol ko yung aking sarili, di ba?
Mm.
Ganon.
So,
That's been working for me.
yep, we'll be taking a break. Then we'll be back for more. Episode 3 of Capture Manila. Good morning!
Good morning.
Magandang hapon.
Good night.
Sige, marami na tayo ng pagkwentuhan kahit naka-break. So, pasok na natin sa AP to. Good morning!
Good morning.
Good night.
Yeah, and welcome back. We are still here with Hermano Jose Miguel, JM Lisbon.
Megs, pag Bisaya, Megs.
Ayan. Yun, so ano yung pinag-uusapan natin during the break?
Pinag-usapan natin yung imposter syndrome.
Ayan.
Yung the worst for me form of creative block. Yung you doubt yourself. Maski ang dami nagsasabi na magaling yung mga shots mo, magaling ka sa photographer, ang talas ng mata, walang kupas, ang ganon. And then all of a sudden, titigil sa photography or hindi na mag-share or nakakain talaga. And that's the worst form. And I've known a couple of people who are like that. And it takes a toll talaga psychologically tsaka yung motivation. Uh, Parang ang last na photo ko, kailangan ko higitan pa. And it reaches to a point na kung maganda to, kailangan mas maganda, kailangan mas maganda, kailangan mas maganda, higit, higit, higit. Which becomes now yung parang it's nagiging neurotic na ba? Parang I have imperfectionism na kailangan kong ibigay yung maganda lang, 'di ba? Ganon. And that's the worst form. And sometimes kailangan ma-break out sila not by the help of friends also. Not by pandering, pero by just listening lang, 'di ba? Encouraging, join walks, lakad lang, 'di ba? It's something na hindi matutulungan until ang photographer na yun has to be the one to take him out of that or her out from that situation. It's the
Yes.
worst. Kasi self-doubt and comparison is very prevalent sa social media ngayon, 'di ba? Imbes na mag-collaborate, like I posted kay Rick Rubin kanina na other photographers or yung pinakamaganda na shots has to be an inspiration for photographers not to compete, 'di ba, but to collaborate. Akala ni Rick Rubin. Gawin 'yan parang inspiration to get better shots, 'di ba?
Yes.
Yeah. So it touches a controversial subject na about competition as well. 'Di ba? Yung competitions na ano ba talaga, are competitions really necessary? 'Di ba? For people to get motivated. Yes. Pero sometimes the competition doesn't showcase that not winning a competition doesn't mean that you're not good or good enough. Yun yung sinasabi ko.
Yes.
It's simply a form of testing it out. Di ba? But it nakakadagdag rin yun sa creative block. Na-experience ba to like during mga national photo walks of brands? Pag may contest and kailangan nyo mag-shoot, and then naka-fix na yung utak nyo doon, parang hindi kayo nakaka-shoot or hindi nyo nahanap kasi parang merong
Kasi may tema,
may tema,
may team eh.
may limit, may theme, di ba?
May team eh.
Relate.
So parang the shot, tapos pagdating sa selection nabubuang ka kasi hindi mo alam kung anong i-select mo. Ito ba, do I share this, malalim ba ito masyado, o ito ba yung hinahanap nung organizers or ng judges. So instead of sharing, parang and then na-experience ko to kasi ang nagiging punto ngayon is like they always choose the safest photo na hindi ganun kaganda rin, di ba? So parang nape-pressure rin. And then pag hindi nanalo, parang ayoko na kasi hindi na ako nanalo, di ba? Parang ganun. So it adds also to that yung block, di ba?
Yeah.
Competition. Unnecessary comparison pala.
Okay.
Not competition per se, pero yung comparison.
Comparison. Diba? Okay. Kasi ako, experience ko with Zone 5. Shoutout Zone 5. Camera Club. Kasi every month may contest kami.
Part of the PWC, di ba?
Yeah. Nakarelate ako dun sa sinabi mo. Pero, one thing din na realize ko lately, pag may theme, parang pag nagsushoot ako, yun na yung naiisip ko lang. Which is, lately, naisip ko rin na mali. Kasi, parang, pag lumabas ako, ang hinahanap kong pipitikan ko, yung pasok sa tema. Hindi ko na naiisip yung ibang bagay na pwede ko rin pitikan. So, for me, I find it wrong, or, well, kung hindi naman siya mali, pero, parang, hindi pala dapat ganun yung thinking. pag lumabas ka, you shouldn't shoot for the team or you should shoot for the team pero bear in mind na marami ka pang ibang pwedeng makita na pwede mo rin pitikan personally for your own sake, hindi lang para sa contest.
Yeah,
Parang ganun.
that's fair. That's fair. Oh, may you allow yourself to explore other things, 'di ba? Parang ganun. And then tsempohan lang na may theme. Then yung pitik na yun yung scene na yun pasok sa theme, then doon ka mag-shoot, 'di ba?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Parang I see it na you should be shooting for yourself, number one. And then number two, yung theme. Parang kung ibigay sa'yo, edi may pang-entry ka na. Pero yun nga, primarily, you should be shooting for yourself.
Yeah, that's a good motivation. We can't discount also other people also thrive in competitions, di ba? Yung pressure, lumalabas din yung kagalingan nila, and that's fine, di ba? May mga contestero talaga. Meron talagang meron din yung talaga, yung may positive kasi rin doon because they really thrive on that, and talaga magaling sila because gamay na nila, and I have nothing against that. In fact, that's a talent, diba? If they earn a living from that, then that's fine, diba? Pero yung worst is the
going back, ayan. You were mentioning kanina, Hermano, that imposter syndrome is yung worst form of creative block. So, ibig sabihin ba, meron pang ibang klase ng creative block?
Well, yeah, it can be sa nalalaman ko. I'm not an expert, pero ang roots kasi is really about not being able to produce, yung frustration ba, yung stagnation, kung hindi ka nag-improve because of certain factors, external or mostly internal, di ba? For me, it's mostly internal. External can be a very strong stimulus for the internal. Pero ang causes niyan may differ from others. It can be monetary, it can be anything na external na demotivate can lead to creative blocks. Diba? And usually mga fear of failure, lack of inspiration, as we mentioned, self-doubt, overthinking, and perfectionism. Yung mga ok talaga na kailangan perfect lahat. And
actually,
that leads to burnout.
Tatanong ko din sana kung ano siya eh. Ano ba siya? Fear ba siya? Tapos yun na nga, sinagot mo na.
Yeah.
Yung sa creative block.
Yeah, it's a creative block. It's really about yun nga, yung fear. It's either you love something and you go towards it, or you fear it and you push it away. So, kung naglalayo ka sa gusto mo dati, and pag lumayo ka na malayo, hindi ka na magaganahan na mag-shoot o mag-create, kumbaga. So, ayun yung pinaka sumatotal nun. It's an internal thing, maybe caused by external or internal. Pero in the end, kakayanin ng individual, pero like what you're doing right now, there's a community. It needs to have a community. Kasi malay mo, may nakikinig sa podcast yun, hindi siya nag-interact, pero moment siya.
Light bulb.
And then mamotivate sila, and then makakalabas sila doon sa rut na yon. Baga. Go, ask your question.
So katulad niyan kasi marami sa atin hindi nila alam na nandun sila sa creative block. Lalo na yung mga nag-uumpisa pa lang. So paano nila ma-identify yan? Terms na nandun sila sa situation na yun, nandun sila sa creative block.
First, wala sila na produce na work. Kung may ma-produce man sila, hindi nila nagugustuhan most of the time. Tsaka every time they don't like their work, ayaw na nila mag-shoot. Ayaw na nila mag-share. Or that's one, di ba? Second, pag napapansin, di na sumasabay, di na sumasabay sa grupo o kaya magsosolo pero walang sineshare. Kung may sineshare, basta it dwindles na.
Mhm.
Parang yung interest na nawawala. That's one. Second is that hindi na natin nakikita pero kung sa personal, may comparison na nangyayari. Na may self-talk na hindi ako magaling.
Mhm.
Okay? Or like what you mentioned kanina na after 2 years malalaman, no? Uh, other people will notice it eh. So pag may
Mm.
magsabi na, uy, saan ka na, hindi ka na sumasabay sa amin, yung ganon. Pero malalaman nyo na lang all of a sudden, yung parang wala ka ng interest. Ayaw mo
Mhm.
nang mag-pick up ng camera, ayaw mo na mag-join ng groups, ayaw mo na mag-share. So those are the things. Or sasabihin sa inyo, wala na akong maano, parang wala na akong nakikita, wala na ako na parang bakit palaging sablay na lang to? Bakit hindi ako hindi ako makausog,
Mhm.
Mm.
'di
Hindi
ba?
makaabante.
Hindi makaabante, bakit ganon? Bakit may tunnel vision ako? Or bakit ganito lang ang style ko? Parang yung yung yun at yun rin ang pipicturean ko.
Mm.
So may active, 'di ba? Meron yung isa na mag-give uh, magde-detach at wala na, nothing to do with it. Meron namang shoot ng shoot pero parang naka-plateau na,
Mm.
'di ba? Block. Yung worst naman form is that nagda-doubt na sa sarili. So
Si Kiyo
those are
yan
the
eh.
indicators,
Hmm.
'di ba? Kasi may makikita ka na block siya pero nagse-share pa rin, 'di
Mm.
ba? That's good kasi at least nagse-share. But when self-talk says na ay shit, share ako ng share pero parang bakit hindi na like,
Ah.
hindi na appreciate,
Mm.
may problema ba? Ang ganon. Ayan. So
So,
those are the feeling.
So Hermano, paano natin ma-overcome yun? Yung ganong ano?
Well, acceptance is always the key that there's a problem.
Ah,
Di ba? May problema ako, Hindi ako makausad. So, may problema, di ba?
mm,
Or, yeah, that's the first, di ba? Second, we have to embrace yung limitations of the moment, di ba? Kung na-overwhelm tayo, instead of feeling overwhelmed, may ang dami pang uh, parang gulo. You have to embrace kung ano yun and then focus on a specific theme. Diba?
mm,
Yun lang i-shoot mo. Kulay lang, kung kulay lahat, kulay. Para at least nakafocus ka doon tapos anything that may mag-spark ng idea, at least madali mo ma-identify instead of shooting lang kung ano-ano.
Mhm.
Diba?
mm,
Assignments can be a form of limitation. Like I do a 52-week assignments. Imagine 52 weeks. Na online yon and I have a person right now, puro black and white. Limited ko yung isang unit with a fixed 35 millimeter na manual lens. Ayun lang gagamitin ko for that. Di ba? Uh, so that's limitations. Join online na hindi ka obligated mag-share sa iba. Yung
mm,
Ah,
ipopost
okay.
lang pero you have no obligation to explain, di ba? Ang ganon. Para sa sarili mo yun. That's a form of limitation. Second, change of perspective. We need to see things differently, di ba?
Agree
And
ako dun, Herbs.
how do you do that? Then maybe try something different sa camera. Like instead of shooting mirrorless, why don't you shoot a point and shoot? Di ba? Or cellphone
yes.
lang. Uh, change your perspective, 'di ba? Kung shoot ka ng shoot ng puro pa ganun, why don't you lower angle or high angle
Mm,
and focus on that, 'di ba? Seek inspiration. Alam ko cliche na 'to, no? Inspiring. I look for inspiration, but that's true. You can you can look for inspiration kahit saan. Not only photos, art, music, go to a library, go somewhere else, watch a movie, you know. Um, expose yourself to different styles of and approaches, no? And then tama yan, yung sinasabi nila shoot lang ng shoot. Yes, just shoot. Just shoot kung hindi mo kaya mag-shoot every day, shoot regularly. Set
Mm.
some day na ikaw lang. Wala kang kasamang ibang grupo, mag-solo ka. On some days mag-duo kayo or in some days mag-trio kayo. In some days
Group.
talagang marami kayo, 'di ba? The act of shooting itself kasi can help break through yung creative blocks, 'di ba? Don't worry about gear, 'di ba? Again, set your embrace limitations. Don't worry about gear, don't worry about that pwede sila mag-film, 'di ba? Kung if they want to do that, 'di ba?
Mm.
And then the most important thing is that if you're feeling blocked, kailangan ka na mag-connect with other photographers, a community that will not give you what you want to hear, but will give you an honest, authentic feedback. Ganon. Kasi sometimes, okay lang yan, no? Shoot ka lang, shoot. May problema nga, di ba? I can't shoot. So how do I get this rock? So connect with other photographers. Attend workshops. Receive feedback, di ba? Ganon. And don't take yourself too seriously. Embrace spontaneity. Di ba?
Yun.
Don't overthink. Kasi sometimes when people overthink, doon nagkakaroon ng pressure, di ba? React to the moment. Embrace unpredictable nature of street photography. That's what I love, yung unpredictability. And sometimes when you observe, you learn to observe, and then you learn to anticipate, then you get great shots, di ba?
Yes.
And don't take yung pagsabi, this is how I shoot, di ba? I don't give a shit. Tapos ipopost sila. I don't give a shit what other people think. And diniscuss namin yan kanina with a friend, di ba? But if you don't give a shit, then don't post that you don't give a shit. Because if you post that you give a shit, you don't give a shit, you give a shit. So puro shit.
Tama.
Diba?
Shit.
Don't post anything na kasi it only reveals na gusto mo pa rin. Diba? You still need the attention, diba?
The irony.
So the irony, diba, of it. Tapos the most important part, if overwhelmed ka na, just take a break.
Yun, yung isa pa.
Just take a break. Kasi if you don't take a break, if you do it again, you try so hard, sometimes lumalabas lang yung spontaneity pagka-relax ka. Diba, remember that thing na parang nasa dulo ng dila mo, hindi mo ma-remember kung ano yung term na yan like that, tapos you suddenly gave up. And then suddenly maalala mo when you're cooking, relax ka.
Yes.
Right? So ayun yun. Ayun yung one of the most important things is take a break. Go on vacation, watch a movie, one weekend, 'di ba? Then balik ka na lang ulit, 'di ba? Kung it persists, then you can go to other people na say, Brad, dude, may problema, hindi ako makausad. 'Di ba? Yan. So those are the ways. And most important part, if you experience this, it's a natural part of the artistic process. Hindi siya parang unique sa mga magagaling. It happens to all of us. 'Di ba? So we have to overcome this and para maka-continue tayo kasi what doesn't kill you will make you stronger and will make you better photographer. But if you decide to quit, maybe hindi ganun ka tindi, which is the final thing that I have to recommend is know your why. Diba? Know that feeling, know that passion ba na sinasabi natin, but what is that passion? What moves you? Diba? It could be as mundane, and the three of you and other know this because experience yun na no matter what, ayun yung magiging angkla mo into doing kahit gumanong-ganon yan, ganon yan. Pero if you have an anchor here, kahit magganong-ganon yan, diretso pa rin yung trajectory ba? Ganon pa rin. Diba? Naka-angkla ka. power enough na may vision ka, tapos naka-angkla ka, ay, connect talaga yon at any point. So that's
Kung,
very important. Di ba? Pero hindi lang basta-basta. You can't know it. You need other people to facilitate that. Kasi
Mm.
you're too full of yourself eh. We're too full of ourselves na hindi
mm,
natin nakikita. Even I need feedback from my wife or from other people. I always ask. Hindi natin to kaya mag-isa. Di
Mm.
ba? Ayun.
Ayun.
ano
Nice.
yan?
Ganda.
Para kapag ka naligaw kayo, babalik pa rin kayo dun sa rason kung
Sa
bakit.
ways.
Kung
Yeah.
Bakit
ayun.
kayo, ba't nyo ginagawa yung ginagawa nyo? Kasi, ang ano naman, para sa akin naman, may comment ko lang, ang street photography kasi sa akin, long game siya eh. Sobrang, ano siya eh, as in mahaba. As in, wala siyang,
Yeah.
para sa akin, never ending nga yung street photography.
Walang endpoint, kumbaga.
Walang endpoint, kaya ang sarap niyang genre eh. Habang humihirap, mas sumasarap eh. Habang tumatagal, mas ano eh. Para siyang ano eh, yung creative block na yan at saka yung ano, yung pag nawawala ka ng gana. Ano yan eh, parang kapag sa hugasin, 'di ba yung hugasin, pag lalong tumatambak, mas tinatamad ka eh. So ganun din eh. Mas pag lalo kang hindi pumipitik, mas tatamarin ka eh.
Gusto ko yung analogy na yun,
Oo nga eh.
Gusto ko
Oo
yun,
nga eh.
So might as well. Di ba? Might as
Nakarelate
well
ako.
na.
Nakarelate ako kasi
Gusto ko yun,
ano lang, inside joke lang, hermano. Yung asawa ko,
Mm.
pinayagan niya akong pakasalan ako dahil pumapayag akong magugas ng pinggan pag nire-repeat. So,
Di ba?
ayun siya. Pero yun,
Totoo
sige.
yan. So, kailangan lang talaga nun, well, it's different for everybody. Diba? Other people would hear us or hear me and say, hey, no, iba yung daan ko. Yeah, it's another way. It's another way. If you've experienced creative block and you've overcome it na hindi nakalagay dito, then share it with other people who are experiencing it, diba?
Mhm.
If you want to be helped, then be helped, diba? Ganun naman yan eh. But if there is an issue in creativity, just know that it will pass when you decide. Ayun naman yun. At the end of the day, decision naman natin whether we want to get out of it or not. If you really want to get out of it, magpapatulong tayo. Kung ayaw mo magpatulong, okay rin lang. Hindi pa oras, di ba? Daanan niyo yan kasi proseso yan. Part of the process of being a creative.
Naalala ko lang, parang 6 a.m. pa lang yata nun, Herms, no? Naglalabas na ako sa iyo ng sa Photo Olympics.
Ganyan
Sobrang aga pagkakita ako sa kanya.
Ganyan sir ah.
Sabi ko, Herms, ganito eh.
Tapos 'di ba, less than a minute we were able to get it, less than 15 because alam ng tao, people are smarter than other people think, 'di ba? They know what they want, they know ano ang gusto nila. Kailangan lang nung sounding board lang. And then when they hear themselves, the solution will come. Ang ganon. So hindi ako nagbibigay ng advice. I never give advice because no one listens to advice anyway. So I always want to propose, ito yung gusto mo sa konteksto na yan, ito yung sinasabi mo, ang ganon. And that's very important. You need to facilitate talaga. Yun. Some are better at it than others, you know.
Yeah.
Pero at the end of the day, kayo nakakaalam kung anong gusto nyo sa buhay nyo. If you want to get out of the creative block, you can.
Yes.
It will pass. It will pass. So take hope. It's nothing permanent. Diba?
Nice.
Ano naman yan. Have a shitty day, that's fine. Have a shitty day. Enjoy the shit. Wallow in shit, you know. Puro. Diba? And then after that, and then maligo ka na afterwards, you know, and then go ahead. But it takes focus, hindi madali. Kailangan talaga nung
Disiplina
and focus. Do things every day, do things at least related to it. Nothing will beat practice.
Yung iba, Herms, hindi nila nare-realize kung gaano ka-importante yung yung tutulong sa'yo na maglabas dun sa sitwasyon na yun. Parang sobrang full of themselves. Parang di nila nagigets na, uy, di mo kaya yan mag-isa. Parang ganun.
Parang
Parang,
kailangan mo na ng tulong.
kailangan mo na ng tulong. Tapos,
Yeah.
pero sa kanila, hindi namin
Ah,
kailangan ng tulong. May mga ganun din
Oh,
na tao.
hindi pa nila kailangan. That's the word. Hindi pa nila kailangan. Pero kung kailangan na nila, when they're ready, they're going to reach out anyway. It just takes time. Hindi nila makukuha, madedelay lang sila.
Okay. Nice, nice.
So, I think everybody can get whatever they want when they're ready to accept it.
Dun
And
pa.
what we have to do is if ready na sila, and then yung mga tutulong sa kanila, mag-appear. You know what I'm saying, di ba?
Ah,
Bigla na lang nag-appear tapos mag-affirm
yeah.
and then less than 15-30 minutes nakukuha na. You know.
Parang,
May iba
parang,
na
parang kami
ready
yung
na.
tinutukoy mo ah.
Oo nga parang ako yun eh. Nung Photo Olympics
Among many others. So, it's something na pag ready na kayo. And hindi ko sinasabi rin na I've never imposed anything. I'm just a mere observer. Ayun lang sinasabi ko. I just observe and I say it. Diba? Ayun.
Okay.
So parang that's the pinaka-importante. And really, you have to seek help. If you don't know how to seek help, hindi kayo marunong ano yan, then in time you will be able to pag nasa lowest point na kayo, 'di ba? There's nothing anymore eh. Pag nag-block kayo, block na talaga, 'di ba? Pero one day, pag ready na, then ma-unblock kayo.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Sige. Nice, nice, nice. Ang ganda, Hermano.
At saka don't believe everything I say, ha? Just
Wala na.
you have to
Wala na.
tapos
try
na
it
agad.
out yourself. You have to try it out yourself. Then you decide whether it works for you or not. Ana.
All right. Ayun. I was about to say, no,
Mm.
yung question ko kasi would be springing on one of the answers na sinagot mo nung tinanong ka ni Kio kung paano ma-overcome yung
Oo.
creative block. So ito, springing from getting inspiration and looking at others' work.
Mm.
Yun. Ang question ko dito, paano ka gagawa ng art or ng work mo na authentic sa'yo, na ikaw? Without,
Okay yan ah.
'di ba? Without given the idea of you are imitating the art of what you've seen or yung inspiration mo. Paano mo siya magagawang sa'yo?
First and foremost, nothing is original.
Yes.
Pero
Let's get
may
that
mga
out.
nagagalit pa rin eh.
Wala na.
May mga nagsasabi na
Lahat nagawa na.
Oo may nagagalit na pa rin. Pag may gaya-gaya, may nagagalit pa rin eh.
Yeah, but it's not really kung nitty-gritty, nothing is original. Everybody's been inspired to do. Ang sa akin lang is that in any picture na i-share, merong inspiration whether intended or not. There's always something na i-compare. Having said that, everything is also original. If
Ako yun, doon ako naniniwala eh. Na
oh,
original
parang
eh.
you build on lang. Ayun yung sinasabi ko, just build on whatever, add an extra thing. Of course, merong tatak this particular photographer, tatak ganito because consistent siya dun sa design. Pero if you're going to really look at it, may pinanggalingan yan whether that photographer knows it or not. There's always going to be a comparison to it. Di ba? Hindi maiwasan yon. So how do you make it different? Add a little bit of something, build on it. Have your particular, that's where the creativity comes in right now. Di ba? How would you present it? Di ba? Parang ganun. So, just share it and then makikita niyo yung anong style lang mas nakaka-influence dun sa particular person. And then kung, uy, style pala to niya ganun, style pala ganito. Okay, now I know how do I add to it, and that's up to the creator na how to make it different. Di ba? Yan.
May tanong ako, Herms pala. Medyo bagay sa akin
Sure.
itong tanong kasi introvert ako eh.
Oh.
Introvert ka ba? Parang di ko naman introvert.
Ayun nga, kinuwento ko na 'di ba kung bakit
Para
pagkakasama
namang
ko kayo,
Nagsisync
lumalabas
ka
yung
eh.
side ko na ibang side eh. Pero yun nga, kasi introvert,
Mm.
para sa introvert, 'di ba? Paano mo i-deal itong extroverted na career path na to? Kasi 'di ba, pwede kang pag nag-ESP ka, 'di ba? Nakakatakot eh na magtuto ka ng camera o pwedeng sa
Mm.
weddings pagka nakakausapin mo yung
Mm.
mga kliyente mo. Paano ba to? Paano ba yun i-deal? Yung mga ganong klaseng
Yung how do you,
challenges.
yung challenge of expressing yourself or being extroverted, yung parang you need to be a particular way,
Mm.
like
Yeah,
kailangan
yan,
kung may
yan.
kliyente
Mm.
ka, kailangan ka maging bubbly,
Yan, yan,
kailangan
ganyan, yan.
kulog, yung gano'n, di
Hi,
ba?
mommy, smile!
smile po dito.
Smile,
Ice
mommy!
here.
Di ba?
Inaasar nila ako dyan dati. So, ganyan.
Uh, no, just embrace your strengths. Kung anong strengths mo, yun yung gawin mo. You don't have to be a different person if hindi ka talaga yun, di ba? People mostly know me as an extrovert, pero in real life, I'm an introvert trapped in an extrovert's body. Di ba? Pwede ako,
Ah.
at the end of the day, I'd rather be alone and watch a movie, read a book, do my own thing. Pero when it's needed, na ganon, lumalabas ang pagka-extrovert ko. I talk to people, and
Mm.
ganon. But you don't need to change for anybody else if that, kasi you'll be well known for that particular quality. Like sa wedding, if you say smile ka dito, then that's fine, di ba? Kasi expected yon. But if you were not comfortable doing that and it causes you parang stress, then that's something that you have to work on.
Mm.
Maybe you don't need to, other people can do that. Ikaw na lang sa back of the house, parang ganon. But if you're in a business or in a studio or that you need to do that, then how do you do it? That's the challenge. Kailangan mong gawin. If not, hire someone else who's really good at it. Kung wala kang budget, then move your ass. Learn a
Pero
new thing.
real talk lang,
Oh.
Herms.
Oh.
Parang mas gusto ko yung version ko na ito eh. Kesa dun sa dati na. Kasi parang,
Natahimik.
oo bago ako
Warframe.
mag-SP, hindi ako warframe.
Alam mo nung tawag yan? Alam mo tawag dyan? Alam mo tawag dyan?
Hindi.
Erms, Kevs.
Yes,
Alam mo
yes.
tawag dyan? Evolution.
What? Freak.
Wow.
Yan.
Dati
Kasi you
ako,
decided,
Pokemon.
Homo sapiens.
Pokemon
di
ka.
ba?
Oo.
So
Ano
paano
na
mo
ako
nagawa yan? Di ba? Sa kaka-practice mo, kakagawa mo. And,
ano?
Kakasama niya sa amin.
Oo,
ayan. Di ba?
Kakapitik
Na-influence.
Kasi
Ayun.
dati hindi ko kaya mag-solo na photo walk eh.
Hindi.
Ngayon, puro ako solo. Hindi na nga
Ano
ako
yan?
sumasama.
Dinicide mo lang? Kevs, dinicide mo lang yan na, oy, hindi na ako I'll do, gagawin ko na to or natural lang siya lumabas.
Alin ba yan, Herbs?
Yung pagka a little bit more extroverted ka ngayon compared to before.
Ito si Kiyo yung sinisisi ko dito eh. Kasi parang
Sisi talaga.
Kasi pagka
Ikaw
yun
sa larin.
nilalabas niya yung yung other side ko na-enjoy ko naman kasi masaya eh. Masaya kami pag mag-asawa kami. So parang kaya gusto ko yung version na yun kung ako yung papipiliin, masaya ako na ito ako ngayon. Parang yun.
Ang kaganda niyan, tumatay balahibo ko ngayon kasi you have to feed off each other eh. Yung feed off in a positive way. Yung kung wala, yung isa magbibigay sa energy to give you confidence. Yung isa naman, kung mahina ka rito, yung isa will pick up from where. And that's a community. That's something na we accept na hindi tayo magaling sa lahat. Hindi tayo magaling sa lahat at kailangan natin ng tulong. Diba? Nung ibang tao. Yung iba magaling mag-solo, then gawa niya lahat, then that's fine. Pero yung iba na hindi, they want to improve, you need other people to do that. And this is the very good example of that. Diba? I would, pag inisip ko, isa lang ang nagraran nung Kalaya, siguro buwang na siguro no sa sobrang dami hindi mo magawa, di ba?
Buwang
So
na nga.
kailangan
Buwang na, hermano.
Buwang
Andun na.
na siya.
Buang na.
Inaabot na.
tinamaan na talaga
Oh,
out of mind na. Seriously, we need others. Hindi natin kaya. And ironically, ang social media is supposed to bring us together. It does help, but sometimes kung anong feed sa atin ng algorithm mas na anong tawag dito na reinforce pa na you can do it alone, you can do it you just have to have positive thinking, you have to just do it, and ganon. No, we still need other people physically and yung same ideas, di ba? And of
yes.
course with different ideas, yay, si Mrs. Yes.
Good evening po.
Hello
Good
po.
evening daw.
Pahiram lang
evening
po
po.
kay Hermano
For,
ng kaunti.
hiramin daw.
Ay
Hello
po.
po.
Yun. Ayun, so I encourage people kaya communities like we did SWPH before, we tried, and then RAW came out, and then it evolves lang, di ba? So different things, and communities have to collaborate kasi at the end of the day, it's all about expression and creativity. Like
Yes.
my way is not better than the other. It's a different way, di ba?
Mhm.
Now you have your
Pero
Capture
Herbs,
Manila, you have
may
this.
kupal pa rin eh, no?
May K pa rin yan, kupal.
Sorry,
Hindi natin
di ko
maiwasan
mapigilan.
yan, sir.
Hindi mo mawawala yun.
Mayroon pa din eh.
Kahit
Diba?
linisin mo ng linisin yun, nabalik pa rin, par.
Yeah, and what we do is just clean it up, 'di ba? Wag lang
Yes,
amuyin.
sir.
Ew. Kasi yung iba inaamoy pa eh, 'di ba? Wag na, alam mo nang kupal, wag mo nang wag mo nang amuyin.
yung lapok.
Ayusin mo na.
Huwag mo nang amoy yung lapok.
Lapok.
Lapok. 'Di ba? No, this is a great way of ang ganda talaga ng kung ganito expressions natin, and people are able to break out of their creative block by talking about it and not judging.
Yes.
Pero that takes a special skill. I've been a counselor since nung matagal na, in the 2000s. So, naging bartender rin ako, so parang naging counselor na rin ako noon. Sige, anong problema mo? Inom, di ba? Yeah, pero over the years, ang common lang yan talaga is we have to be comfortable with our own skins. We can express ourselves even with the fear of being judged. Because wala naman talaga magagawa eh. Somewhere out there, di ba, may meme na kahit saan sa mundo, may titingin ng litrato mo ng ganito. Meron rin naman na, uy, di ba? Uy, nice, di ba? So sometimes, mapansin mo, yung hindi nagla-like dito sa Pilipinas, grabe ka-enjoy doon sa ibang bansa, di ba? So it's a different thing altogether. But at the end of the day, we express to impress. Okay. Okay, mag-react ka. Yung impression, what I mean by impression is to create an impact. It's really about giving that impact to others. 'Di ba? Who are willing to see it for what it is, 'di ba? Yung ganon. So parang pag pinalalabas natin mga litrato natin and we have that creative block and we have to release it, that's a proposition. Ito yung proposal ko, ito yung picture ko. Whether you like it or not, that's fine. But if you like it, thank you very much. If you don't, that's fine. But if you don't like it, I will feel bad, but that's okay because I will use that to be better. Ganon.
As a fuel.
Mas maganda
as
yung
a fuel, di ba?
mentality.
Then gas, di ba? Sa gasera. Yung ganon. So at the end of the day, it's really about the choice we have and how to we move out of it. Pero kung hindi mo kaya, seek help. Maraming tutulong.
Yun ang number one talaga. Huwag kayong matakot. Huwag kayong matakot.
Pero huwag kayong pupunta sa isang tao na may ready answers na. Diba? Kailangan makinig, may proseso yan. So go
Yes.
to the people that you will really trust, that they will say the truth.
Yung makikinig talaga, no?
Yung
Tsaka yung
makikinig
sasabihin sa'yo
talaga.
yung totoo, kung maganda ba
Mm.
yung
Oh,
photo mo or hindi.
yeah,
Di
'di
ba?
ba? Oh. Kung at saka subjective naman, then you discuss
Mm.
about it, 'di ba? Okay. Nakikita ko na yung sinasabi mo, parang ganon.
Mm.
And still be friends afterwards,
Yes.
'di ba?
Yes.
So,
Ah,
yun yung, but that's another topic altogether. But for the meantime, yung sa creative block, you are how to find your why is a different process
Yes,
altogether,
yes.
and that's something that hindi mo lang makukuha on your own. So
Mm.
ayun talaga yung
Mm.
sinasabi ko na you have to have that anchor.
mm.
Nakakatulong
So
talaga.
parang ano, Herms, kung alam mo yung why mo, mas less yung chances na magkakaroon ka ng creative block or hindi naman.
Lesser ang chance, but if it does, you can easily get out of it and really break
Mm.
through the
Oo.
block
Feeling ko
or
Mm.
nandun
go
na ako.
over.
Mas kaya mo
Nandun na
siyang
ako.
i-handle.
Ah,
Feeling
Mm.
ko nandun ako.
Tsaka hindi basta-basta yan. Some are deeper and it takes a long time and that's fine because that's part of the process.
Mm.
Yes.
Diba? Tsaka if you don't go under, hindi mo ma-experience yung how it is to be blocked, then how can you understand being free?
Ganda.
Yun. Mm.
Ganda.
Diba? So
Markan
you
mo nga
can't
para
know.
pang reels natin, pang reels.
Mark, 2.1,
Naka-mark na,
sir.
mark.
Parang how can you know a good picture if you don't know what a bad picture is?
Yes.
Diba? In your own
Okay.
style.
Mm.
So,
Parang yin
kung
and
puro
yang. Oh, di ba? Parang
kasi
yin and
kung
yang.
puro good nakikita mo, then how can you know bad if all nakikita mo is good, if lahat magagaling? How do
Ayun
you
nga
know?
kasi.
Yes.
Ayun nga din yung naisip ko, 'di ba, pagka
'Di ba?
nagko-comment na, "Uy, sampung uploads mo. Puro, uy, ang ganda. Uy,
Nice shot.
amazing."
Nice
Tapos
shot, Kev.
yung pang 11th mo na upload. Ayun na talaga yung maganda. Pero same yung comment. Parang, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Parang
Yeah. Not belittling that because that's part of the social thing. Eh.
Yun,
okay.
It
oh.
it it's
Okay.
like yung tapping on the back, 'di ba? Without even
Mm.
saying it. It's like reinforcing na hey, kaibigan tayo, I love your work, and that's it, 'di ba? So that's to reinforce also yung
Mm.
pagiging group, 'di ba?
Okay. Agree.
Whether I don't think it's also a matter of whether it's a judgment of good or bad. It's just a reinforcement of group belongingness. Social siya, di
Mm.
ba?
Okay.
But may mga iba talaga na take it so seriously, di ba? Pagka nawala yung linkage na yon, are they still going to produce work, di
Mm.
ba?
Mm.
Kailangan ba palagi para makapag-share kumbaga, 'di ba?
Parang validation.
Uh, Invalidation.
Mm.
And for people to say that they don't need validation, again, they need validation because they said that they don't need
Mm.
validation. So so if you don't need validation, then don't post or set it to only you or
Mm.
set it only to
Mm.
your private friends na that could
Mhm.
appreciate. That's fine. So going back, parang it's okay. It's okay that merong ganong comments na just know that it's not a determinant kung talagang maganda siya or hindi.
Yun, nice yan.
Yun ang
Di
dapat
ba?
Ayun
lang.
yung,
Yeah, kasi kung palaging ganon na ganda and nare-reinforce yun sa ganon, then what is a bad photo? Will that be an expectation na I should always come out with
ayun yung parang
you
naisip ko,
know?
Herms, na parang hindi mo binibigyan ng room to grow kung laging maganda yung mga kuha nila.
Yeah,
Makukuha. Diba?
Quote
Parang
unquote,
ganun eh.
parang binibaby mo.
yeah.
Parang
That's
ganun,
that's
parang
No?
that's
ganun.
fine in the social context of yung brotherhood or whatever, di ba? Pero ang ano yan, ang pag nag-come na sa feedbacking, doon sa actual like yung sa critiquing, yung sa critic Thursdays, do they allow themselves to be vulnerable? I
Mm.
can't say that. Vulnerable. yung yung maging open for criticism, open for feedback, na na ready na ba siya matumanggap ng negative comment.
Yes.
And that this comes now a sense of maturity na. Na kahit anong sabihin mo, I'll take it. Parang kukunin ko yung positive, kukunin ko yung negative, tapos titingnan ko, oy, I agree with this, I disagree with this. And then I'll put aside what I disagree and learn from what I agree. Parang ganon. Diba? And that fosters dialogue and growth rather than pandering. Diba? Ayaw ko matanggal dun sa grupo. So, kailangan kong sabihin ang gusto niya marinig. Parang ganon.
Parang quote and quote, makikisama.
Hindi lang din sa grupo eh. Hindi lang,
diba?
Ako, parang ever since nung nagsimula ako, may ganun na eh. Parang kung meron kang iniidolo, kumbaga, na tas lagi mong lahat ng upload ni idolo.
Ano ba? Parang, hindi ba yun? Para kang kiss ass na pag ganun.
Pandering, ang tawag doon pandering.
Yun, mas magandang na yun.
Mas gusto ko yung kiss ass cobes. Huwag kang mag-alala.
Yeah. But for what reasons, diba? Kung when the shit hits the fan, will they say something to help that person, diba? Or kung taliwas na doon sa ginagawa ng person na yon, pwede ka bang mag-approach at sabihin, ay, mali na tong ginagawa mo or nakaka-event sa ginagawa mo. Diba? Kung magagawa mo yon at magkaibigan pa rin kayo pagkatapos, that's very good. That's beyond pandering. That's a relationship, diba? A true, matured relationship.
In a relationship pala tayo.
Yes. But if you say na ganito palagi, maski mali na ginagawa or may negativity na it doesn't work and you can't say it, that's blind following. Diba? Nawawala yung integrity. So that's very important.
So diba? Minsan meron ng motive na
yeah, but that's fine because that's part of the process rin nung whoever that is, diba? And if one day makita niya na hindi pala nag-work, na nawala na yung integrity, and kung napag-usapan nila and talagang hindi talaga nagtugma, and then nagkakaroon ng disagreements na, it's okay naman to. And it's good kasi at least now you know that the ones that yung idol or whatever na putting up in a pedestal is actually human also. And in that case, we have to show compassion. Diba? Kailangan may compassion rin to understand then anong pinagdadaanan.